Good morning, guys. The birds are chirping and everything this morning. Oh, I'm just enjoying the garden. It rained yesterday. It's my chocolate mint, my sunflower. Those plants, I don't know what they are there, y'all. I don't know. I plant all type seeds, just have to wait for them to declare. That's my okra. Look like it's trying to sprout something underneath there. Just have to wait and see. My boysenberries. Here's my other okras, y'all. Red okra. See the bottom of stem? Red okra. And this is a green okra growing. So there's one okra there. And here's the other one. It's weird how these okras seem to be hard too fast. They might be the ones that you have to harvest when they're small. I don't know. And who knows, they might feel differently. Look at that one. I guess I'll have to let them go to seed. Hope it don't make it stop growing okra. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, I don't know. More of the red okra. At least I got a lot of them there. But the sun burnt the ends, I don't know. Or the spray I did to stop the bug from eating it. Look at that little tiny one there. And I'm telling you, even though it's not that big and it's been raining, it is feeling hard to me, and the end ain't soft. This one ain't not soft either and firm, so I don't know. Just leave them alone. There's other okras there. I'll be watching this one really, really close. Maybe that's just the kind of okra it is that feels hard. And when you cook it, it might be better. Look at that little one. See? Oh, well. Have a wonderful and blessed day, everybody. Just have to let y'all see my sunflower right quick. And still got rain on it. That's the rain this morning as well. I decided to cut them, y'all. I might just try tasting it raw and see how it tastes. Might be just that kind that you eat raw.